Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with the K&N Air Charger air cleaner intake for both twin cam and Milwaukee 8 motors. I've used these in the past with great success on twin cam motors. I'm going to bolt this on an M8 and see how we do. As you can see, it's got a lot of surface area of the famed K&N air filter. Million-mile air filter, of course, and then a really big intake runner into a really nice sized air cleaner body. It comes complete with everything you need to install it, as well as a cover for your ugly plastic Harley-Davidson throttle body. If you have any more wants or needs for this product, check out K&N Air Filters or your favorite retailer.